Welcome back, my lovely crocheters. In today's video, we're going to make a beautiful cluster of flowers, a perfect piece to decorate your bags, hats, or even use as home decor. You'll need 3mm yarn and a 2.5mm crochet hook. Get cozy, grab your yarn, and let's crochet some happiness together. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more cute tutorials. For round 1, start with a magic ring. Into the ring, work. Chain 3, 2 double crochets, chain 1, then repeat 3 double crochets, chain 2, 7 times. Join with a slip stitch to the first chain. Great job! You're forming the center of the flower cluster now. Tip: keep your stitches relaxed to prevent the circle from curling. Next, round 2. Into each space from the previous round, you'll work chain 3, 2 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets, into the first chain 1 space, then 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets, into each of the 7 chain. 2 spaces, slip stitch to join. You've just built lovely flower petals. Keep going. You're doing amazing. Now for round 3, let's add dimension. In the first space, do chain 3, 5 double crochets, chain 3, skip 2 stitches, slip stitch, 6 double crochets. Then chain 2, make 1 double crochet, chain 2. Now repeat 6 double crochets, chain 3, skip 2, slip stitch, 6 double crochets, chain 2, double crochet, chain 2 for 7 more petals. Finish with a slip stitch. Wow, look at that texture bloom. Tip: be gentle when skipping stitches so your work stays neat. For the little flower, begin with a magic ring again. Work 5 single crochets into the ring. Slip stitch to close. A sweet, tiny circle, nice and clean. Tip, pull the magic ring tight to keep it secure. Now round 2, chain 4, then repeat. 1 double crochet, chain 1, 5 times around, slip stitch to join. You're forming the base of each petal. Great pace so far, keep going. For round 3, we're making popcorn stitches. Chain 2, then in each space, do 1 popcorn stitch using 5 double crochets, then chain 1. Repeat this for a total of 6 popcorns. Slip stitch to close. You've added such a lovely puff texture. Tip, use your finger to gently push the popcorn stitches outwards for a clean look. Lastly, round 4. In each space between the popcorns, work 1 single crochet, 2 double crochets, 1 single crochet. Repeat around. Slip stitch to finish. Ta-da! Your delicate mini flower is complete. Isn't it adorable? And there you have it, a gorgeous flower cluster and matching bloom, perfect for adding a handmade touch to your favorite accessories. Thank you for crocheting with me today. If you enjoyed this project, please like the video and subscribe to support the channel. Until next time, keep creating with joy